Reading challenge. Want to change your brain? Start reading every day. Reading helps you think better. It teaches your brain to focus. Reading gives you more work. More work equal to more power. You can speak more clearly. You can think more deeply. Even 5 minutes a day can help you mind grow. Reading also makes you calm. It's like a quiet friend who gives you peace. If you read one page a day in 1 year, you will finish a big book. Start small but don't stop. Reader become thinker, and thinker change the world. Congratulations. Big mind start with small habit. I'm so glad